On our KPVI Facebook page, we've been taking your questions for the experts at Alpine Animal Hospital.
That's right. So joining us now is Dr. Stephen Haymore to answer one of those questions. Dr. Haymore, people have been wondering, how do you get those cats to stop peeing on the carpet?
Right. Yes.
Or anywhere else they...
Anywhere. That's right. I always assumed that cats pretty much learn right off the bat to be box trained. Are they not generally?
Usually most cats are litter trained. It seems though that they develop behavioral issues. You know, urinary tract infections are definitely common cause of urinating inappropriately in the house. But a lot of times it's a behavioral change in them. The cats are funny that way. They have very strange behaviors. They can,
yes, they do.
They can be territorial. Yeah, they do. Some people say that they'll get mad because somebody left them or did something, and they'll look at them and go urinate on their clothing or something, you know.
Or the comforter.
Yes.
Or
So I think the biggest thing is we need to give them plenty of activities, plenty of litter boxes, scratch posts so they're not scratching up the furniture and those kind of things.
So what if it is a UTI? Is that something that's just handled through medication?
Yeah.
And how do you know? How do you know it's just not the cat being a cat and it might be a medical issue?
Right. That's a great question. A UTI is a urinary tract infection. And they come in and usually we'll test them first. Most of them we treat for urinary tract infections, or we like to, you know, so we can rule it out, and then we know if it's behavioral or not. But yeah, it's a difficult one to treat.
And what if it is behavioral? I mean, what are the things that you can do?
A lot of things. So a lot of multiple cat households, the cats are marking territorially. They're marking, you know, or cats are funny. They can urinate inappropriately because you've changed the type of litter, or you moved the litter box, or a new family member has come into the house, or you left them. You know, they can be funny. So lots of activities, like I said, scratch posts, playing with the toys, lots of litter boxes. If you have more than one cat, they say you should have at least 3 litter boxes. You can try the different types of litter. You can try the covered litter boxes, so they feel like they can get in there and hide.
Have a little privacy.
Yeah, privacy. Exactly.
Okay.
Generally, then you can reverse it. It's not something you have to live with forever.
Yes, generally, and then the last resort, if we can't do it with these behavioral changes, and there's pheromone sprays and all sorts of things, medication.
Oh, really?
Antidepressants, basically, for cats, or behavioral modifying drugs for cats. Which we use quite a bit.
Antidepressants, a little Zoloft for the kitty.
Basically.
Can an addition of another animal besides a cat, like maybe if you bring a dog or a puppy into the house, is like, it just kind of seems like with cats, any change to their routine, any change to their habitat, and it gives them a reason.
Absolutely, yes. Anything, family member, another animal,
Okay.
All right. Dr. Stephen Haymore, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks. And coming up, we'll have your answers to our question of the day.